In related stories, former President Rodrigo Duterte's critics and former Senator Antonio Trillanes criticizes the plans of these families in the upcoming elections. Henry Nicolas has more.
Former Senator Antonio Trillanes considers Duterte as a national security threat following Vice President Sara Duterte's statement that her brothers Paulo, Baste, and father former President Rodrigo Duterte will run in the upcoming 2025 elections. Trillanes is now encouraging the Pink movement to unite so that Duterte cannot enter the Senate because what happened in the previous administration might happen again. It is said that apart from the mafia politics of the Duterte family, the livelihood of Filipinos is not their priority, according to Trillanes. He said their group is also preparing 3 candidates to run on the senatorial slate in 2025. He also added that they do not belong to the Liberal Party that was weakened over a period of time.
Hindi naman kami Liberal Party, no? I think yung Liberal Party per se, talagang nag-shrink na, no? By choice, no? At itong issue ngayon, kung ano mangyari dun sa Pink movement na tinatawag, yan ay palagay ko magre-re-emerge after the 2025 elections under the leadership of Senator Risa Hontiveros.
The media asked if Trillanes had plans to return to national politics following his interest in running for mayor of Caloocan City, which he called a new form of public service.
But part of the reason siguro na medyo na burnout tayo sa national politics the past 6 years, matinding bugbogan nung nakaraang administrasyon. So tingnan natin.
The former senator also encouraged some political groups in the country to also think of forming a tactical alliance with the current administration and Pink forces to prevent Duterte from entering the Senate. In relation to his allegations against the Duterte family, he cannot be sued by them for allegedly telling the truth, he said.
Alam nyo, 6 years ka na po sinasabi to and I was proven right. The fact na hindi niya nga ako makasuhan kasi alam niya totoo. No? Yung sinasabi kong nakipag-partner sa drug lord, itong si Michael Yang, o di ngayon, iniimbestigahan si Michael Yang. Ginawa niyang economic advisor ito. At doon sa investigasyon namin sa Senado, talagang yung mga pagpasok ng illegal na droga ay nalilink talaga sa mga Dutertes at kay Michael Yang.
This is Henry Nicolas for EuroTV News.